on the top line front, on the volume front, Asian Paints once again has proved that it is the leader. Of 48% decorative domestic volume growth is what it has delivered. Yes, of course, the base quarter was very low. We just had a flattish volume in Q4 FY20, but nevertheless, a 48% growth is still very impressive. Now, the management as well has said that yes, despite the flattish growth, they have done pretty well across segments. Now, revenues, of course, on account of that as well, have seen better than expectations, growth. So we have 6651 crores. That's the top line figure for Q4, highest ever on a quarterly basis, a 44% jump over there. The EBITDA has come in higher by 53% at 1,318 crores. Margins 19.8% versus 18.5%. Now, the margins have actually disappointed a tad bit. We were expecting 20% plus margins, but the company has delivered 19.8%. So that's a tad bit disappointing. Profit after tax at 852 crores, largely in line with expectations. Now, the management on the margin front has said that yes, the huge inflationary trend that has been witnessed in crude, in titanium dioxide, even in packaging materials for that matter, has been a bit worrying. However, they are quick to say that the inflation impact on profitability has been negated with out of the box on sourcing as well as a cost optimization. So these are some of the steps which we as well knew about, that Asian Paints is undertaking, tighter cost controls as well to ensure that that gross margin inflation does not impact the bottom line in a very significant manner. And yes, EBITDA margins have expanded compared to the corresponding quarter. Here's what's interesting as well, the home decor business. Asian Paints is now expanding. It's no longer a plain stay paints business. It has expanded very smartly into the home decor business as well. And they do say that the home improvement business has registered record sales for the quarter ended, aided by the foray into the home decor business. What's interesting is that even the industrial coatings business finally has done well, delivered robust performance, particularly in the protective coatings and refinish segments, supported by the uptick in industrial activity. The international business as well continued to record exceptional double-digit volume growth, led by good growth seen in Asia as well as Middle East. But again, I'd like to tell our viewers that the base for all of these businesses has been a little low. For the international business in general, the base has been a bit low. So yeah, I guess this is what and this could be a given. However, most important is going to be the future outlook. What's the impact of the localized lockdowns? Remember, last quarter, the June quarter of 2020, we saw a negative 35% growth. Now, it may not be that bad, but we'd like to hear from the management on how bad really is it this time around, the April and May months when we have seen localized lockdowns. What is the kind of sales loss that the company has witnessed? That I think is something that the street will watch out for.